Hello, and thank you for choosing RRG for the purchase of your new vehicle. Your business is appreciated, and we hope to offer you a great experience throughout the ownership of your car. It is our legal duty to ensure you know about our recommended car care options that will make the whole ownership of your car as enjoyable and worry-free as the first day you pick it up. So, let's get started. How would you feel if you came to your car and someone had carelessly opened a door in the car park, damaging your pristine bodywork? How annoying would that be? During our daily driving, we encounter all sorts of small dents, scratches, scuffs, and stone chips, but we often leave them, mainly due to time, convenience, and cost. Our minor damage protection will cover up to 20 of these minor cosmetic repairs over a 3 or 4 year period. And the repairs can be carried out at a convenient time and location that suits you. This will not only help maintain the appearance of your vehicle, but will also maximize its future value, ensuring you are offered the best possible part exchange price when you come back to trade the car in with us in the future. Many of us have had that moment where we've heard the painful sound of an alloy scraping a high curb, or found a puncture in one of our tires. Tire and alloy insurance will cover 15 alloy wheel refurbishments and 5 replacement tires over a 3 year period. So if they are accidentally or maliciously damaged, you will be able to restore your wheels to showroom condition. Last, but by no means least, is Gen 3 protection. Unlike other paint protection, our ceramic glass coat will bond onto and into your vehicle's paint surface, forming a hardened and long-lasting ceramic coating. Once it's applied by our trained experts, the ceramic glass coat displays exceptional resilience. This creates a barrier against tar, road grime, solvents, and animal matter. It is a genuine fit and forget product, negating the use of waxes, polishes, or conservers, and will maintain the depth of your car's gloss and shine. On top of that, a sealant is applied inside to your interior, providing protection against day-to-day accidental spills and stains. Should you need to know any more or have any questions, please feel free to contact your sales executive. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy driving your new vehicle.